Hey, welcome. Today we're going to learn how to design the Lego man head here. All right. And we're going to be using something called the center revolve. So let's go ahead and get started. Let's go over here to File. Let's go to New. And we're going to do a standard millimeter.ipt file here. Okay, let's hit Create. Go ahead and start a 2D sketch here on the XY plane. And what we're going to need to do is to draw out a 2D sketch. First thing we're going to do is grab our line tool here and we're going to go up. Let's see here, 11.5. I'm going to type that in. Okay, millimeters. Go ahead and hit Escape. And now we're going to work our way up from the base here of the head, and we're going to draw a line perpendicular to this one, 3.15 millimeters. Okay, we're going to go up 1 millimeter, hit Enter, and go ahead and hit Escape now, because now we need to use our arc tool. So in this vicinity over here, we're just going to kind of click, and then we're going to drag out an arc here. All right, hit Escape. Back to our line tool, we're going to go up. And we're going to go up 5 here, so we'll type in 5, hit Enter. Hit Escape again, and then once again we're going to grab our line tool, and we're going to click over in this vicinity over here. Okay, and we're going to just kind of make an arc. And then we're going to drag another line, come back, grab our line tool, and we're just going to kind of do a random dimension for now. Click, come on up. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over here, that green dot, and I'm going to come over here so I know that I'm perpendicular to this line right here. All right, now we're going to go ahead and throw some more dimensions in here. The diameter of the head's roughly about 10 millimeters, so we're going to make this half. We're going to make that 5, hit Enter. All right, and then from here to here, we're going to make that 2.3. And then this dimension here, from here to here, we're going to make that 2. And then from here to that dot, we're going to make that 2. Same thing here. We're going to click here, make that 2, a radius of 2. And for here, go ahead and hit Escape. All right, now we want to come on up here to our tangent constraint. All right, so click on your tangent constraint, and we're going to make this arc tangent to this line. And what that will do is it'll make this arc nice and have a nice smooth transition so that it blends better. Okay, and we're going to do the same thing down here, tangent to that line. Okay, go ahead and hit Escape. All right, if you're not fully constrained, fool around with it. Remove dimensions, add dimensions until you are fully constrained. Okay, and when you're done, go ahead now and finish sketch. Then we're going to come to Revolve. Okay, and it highlights our profile. We're going to come over here to the axis, and we're going to click on that axis and hit OK, or that green check, either one. Okay. All right, as a reminder too, don't forget to back up and save your work as you go through this. So now we're going to come over here and we are going to start a sketch on this bottom piece of our Lego man here. And we're going to create a circle right here at the center origin and drag out a circle so that it has a diameter of 5.195. Okay, we're going to go ahead and finish our sketch here. Now let's come over here and extrude this. and we're going to cut material, not 10. Make sure you select cut here, and you want 8.6. All right, of a distance of 8.6 millimeters. Select OK. And now we need to make a hole on the other side of the head here. So we're going to come over here, turn our head around, and start a 2D sketch on the top here. Let's go to Project Geometry. And we're going to offset that guy by a distance of 0.7. Hit Enter. Finish our sketch. And once again, we're going to extrude. We're going to cut. Okay. Select this button. And we're going to go in a distance of 2.2. Okay. And hit OK. And it's starting to look more and more like our Lego head here. Don't forget to save as you work through this. All right, now we need to make the last feature. So let's go ahead and do that. We're making our child safety feature here on our Lego man's head. So we're going to start a 2D sketch right here. All right, now we're going to go to construction mode here. So let's go ahead and click on the construction button right here. And we're going to make a construction line circle here. And we're going to start at our origin. I'm going to zoom in. And we're going to make it about 0.8 millimeters. Hit Enter. Okay, now let's take it out of construction line mode. And grab our line. And somewhere in this area, right around in here. Okay, we're going to come over here. Yep. I'm going to zoom in even more. And I suggest you do the same here. So make a straight horizontal line out to our construction circle. Click once that collinear constraint shows up, and then we're going to click over here. Okay. Now we're going to grab our arc tool here, and we're going to make a dot, dot. And once again, when our collinear constraint shows up right there, we can click. Okay. And you see how it's purple? We're good. Now, we need to add a few more dimensions on here. We're going to go that. Whoop, hit escape. Dimension this guy as 1.35. And we are going to make one more dimension with an angle of 120. And we're going to go ahead and finish our sketch. Okay, looks pretty good. And we're going to extrude it, and we're going to cut inward. Okay, and a distance of 4 millimeters should be enough to cut all the way through. Okay, and now we have part of our child safety feature here. But we're not done. We need to go to our circular pattern. So click on your circular pattern button here. Okay, we need to identify the feature. So it's right there. Then we need to identify the rotation axis right there. And we don't want 6 of them. We got to change that to 3. And hit OK. Okay, and there we go. And the last feature we need to make is a little circle hole in true extrusion right in the middle here. If you look on the Lego heads, there is a little like notch circle here in the center. So we're going to go ahead and grab our circle, start at the center here, and drag it out to 0.5. Okay, hit escape and finish our sketch. We're going to extrude that guy the other way, a distance of 0.2, and hit OK. And there we go. And you notice that's yellow. Well, we need to make our almost pretty much every Lego head out there is, well, yellow. So let's go ahead and Do that. Encompass everything and hit that. Hit the green check mark there, and we're good to go. There's your Lego head. Okay. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe or like if this video helped you, and we'll see you next time.